Good morning and welcome to Full Circle Ozarks.
Hey friends, welcome back to Full Circle Ozarks. As you can see, I've got my tractor up here, I got my sawmill set up, and we're gonna continue on from my last video. The last video we got some big logs cut up and we got them up here, and I'm not quite sure that my tractor is going to set this log up on the mill, but we're going to find out. And then we're gonna cut some 6x6 posts to get ready to make a sawmill shed. At least that's the goal anyway. So hope you enjoy it. Make sure you stay tuned, come along, and I hope you really enjoy this content. And speaking of content, if you do like this kind of stuff, feel free to go up there and click that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed, and it will help our channel out a whole lot. We're getting close to 1,000 subscribers, and I'm excited about that. So we'd like to reach that 1,000 pretty soon now. So anyway, we're going to get the tractor fired up, see if I can get that log picked up, set it on the mill, and we'll see how it goes. So stay tuned. Some more RPM here. Came up. The tractor can lift it okay, but I need to put some more weight on the rear of my tractor. I'm just thinking here for a moment. I've got my post hole digger on the back of it right now, and that's not hardly enough weight, so I need to add some more weight. Try it one more time here. Well, that's a pretty heavy log. Since that tire came up the way it did, I think I'm just going to take my post hole digger back off the tractor and put me some heavier weight on the rear of that. I may put my, I've got a bush hog I could put on. I've got a wood chipper. Wood chipper might be pretty heavy. I may put the wood chipper on it, and that will give me more weight on the rear end. That little post hole digger, it don't weigh much at all. So let me go change that up, and I'll be right back with you. Well, I got some more weight added to my tractor, so this was going to be try number 2. I put my Woodland Mills WC68 wood chipper on the back of the tractor. that hopefully will give me enough weight to keep the back end of the tractor on the ground. And remember, my tires are filled too. And so hopefully with the additional weight here, I'll be able to get this log picked up and put on the mill. Well, friends, the little coyote done it. We got the log up there now, and I can start squaring it up, making a cant, and figuring up how many posts I can get out of this. So anyway, I'll get it locked down here and figure out the cuts, and we'll go from there. So stay tuned. We'll be right back. This is heavy. I'm gonna get the tractor. That's looking good. That's really looking good right now. You know, I'd mentioned there was a punky spot in it when I sawed it the other day. I don't know how far that's going to go, but I'm trying to get a post out of this area right here. This is kind of punky here, so we'll see. I'll see if I can't set this one off with the tractor for right now. Well, I got that one off. Now I got to get this log here rolled and I see what I can get out of it. So let me work on getting it rolled. We'll be right back. I thought I'd go ahead and try my custom log roller. We'll see how it works. Now this right here is the reason when I build my sawmill shed, I wanted some room back here. So I need about 3 feet, yeah. I think that's gonna work. And before I roll it, you see these? I wanna slide these down over here. Just makes rolling these a little bit easier.
Where'd you get that hook on the end of that?
Huh?
Where'd you get that hook?
My daddy made that. His famous words was to you, if you remember that time he was laying in the hospital not too long before he passed away, he looked at you and said, "I like to make things." I think it done it.
that's got a little bit of wane on it. Will that be okay?
Yeah, I think it will. Just a little bit of wane. Wane, will that be okay?
Yeah. What about the punkiness at the bottom? Did
Well,
that
let's
turn
slide
out
this
okay?
down and see what that punky looks like here. Well, I got one nice 6x6 out of this one right now. And I'm going to set this one off, and I got the first cut that I took off. I think I might be able to get possibly 2 out of that one. We'll see. So I'm going to set this one off, put the other one on, and get it solved. Well, let me see if I can flip this one here up.
Whoa. Rolling rock.
Rolling rock. It's rock and roll.
Rock and roll. Oh, you're not gonna believe what I heard.
What'd you heard?
There was a guy in town, and he lost his right behind.
His right behind.
So now I guess it's just left behind.
This is Cotton Top for you. You know, in a few months, we'll be married 50 years.
Yes, we will. Woo!
She's my gift from God.
Mm.
Well, let me see if I can
Okay.
finish getting this solved. I need to flip it up. Well, folks, I think this is where we're going to end the video. Thanks for joining us. Again, make sure you click that subscribe button. We got 3 good logs out of this today, so I'm excited about that. I say 3 good logs. We got 3 good posts, 6x6 posts. So I'm gonna get this one off the mill, and tomorrow I'll probably saw some more logs. So take care, God bless, and we'll see you again on the next Full Circle Ozarks.